We love to see the monkeys, the orang-utans.
The gibbons. The gibbons.
And the Thomas Leaf monkeys we also see.
The echo
trekking
lodge
was good. We have a good guide.
I really enjoyed it.
Me too.
We had a walk from 3 hours, and after that we had the tubing on the river to the echo
that
lodge.
was fun. That was fun.
Also very nice.
Yeah.
Video time.
Yeah. And
We had a lovely
What
stay
else?
there in the
Yeah.
echo lodge.
Yeah.
A nice dinner and nice breakfast.
And in the afternoon, tuk-tuk.
Yes, of
Tuk-tuk
course,
ride
to the
was-
village.
Don't forget.
to the local market.
Yes, the local market and
Through the rice fields was very nice.
The landbouw. It was very nice to see that.
Yeah.
First time in Sumatra at this great destination. The tubbing was astonishingly good. I was not afraid. It's for everyone to do.
We went to Lake Toba, which was beautiful nature. It was an amazing big lake, beautiful surroundings.
Absolutely. It's a really amazing scenery.
So thank you for the wonderful trip in Sumatra. It was fantastic. I really loved Lake Toba and the orangutans at Bukit Lawang.
Sumatra is really a beautiful, beautiful destination. It has a lot of diversity from jungles where you can see orangutans in real life to the fabulous Lake Toba, which is magnificent. It has so much to offer, so much variety, beautiful nature. Yeah, just a wonderful destination. You have small villages that you can visit. You can actually go into someone's house to see how people are living. And yeah, it's a great destination. You need at least, I would say, 1 week to fully understand Sumatra and to fully discover. And I can only recommend to go there. It's really some destination to put on your bucket list. So thank you.
Goodbye to you all and see you soon.
We love the destination.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice.
I would like to thank you, Indonesia, to be here. Thank you.
And I would really recommend it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
And the whole thing was excellent. Thanks.
So I would like to thank everyone for the lovely time we had here. Thank you.